Sige.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Faith Misperos, Coach Takapino, and Gretchen Santones of the Atari Chargers who won in 5 sets against the Galleries Tower High-Risers. Coach, congratulations and welcome to the semifinals. How are you feeling about this victory?
I just want to appreciate for all the teammates, the coaches and the players. Kasi after Faith got injured, still is able to make it a point. That's also makes it inspiring the team. And then also Ezra, so pasok na isa the coach, he made it a pro. Like everyone have a role and then they did it in the coach. This is like their team effort. Just for improve everyone.
Thank you, Coach. And for Faith, ikaw din yung isa sa mga nag-step up talaga for the team. Ano lang siguro yung mindset mo into this game para matulungan yung team na makuha yung win?
Well, as always, we always want to contribute naman and stay ready. Kasi what I really like about our team is kahit sino ipasok mo, like they know their role. And ang kailangan yung mindset namin as players is to stay ready. And that's what we do all the time.
Thank you. And for Gretchen, nung 5th set, ikaw din talaga yung isa sa mga nagdala sa team. So, personally, ano lang ba yung motivation mo to help the team get this victory and enter the semifinals?
Siguro yung pinagtrabahuan namin kasi yun nga, ang hirap kalapit talaga. Kahit sino naman, pero yung Galleries kasi iba din talaga yung depensa. So, sabi namin nung 4th set na hindi natin dapat sayangin yung mga pinagtrabahuan natin the past sets. And also parang kasi ako parang gusto ko may mapatunayan sa sarili ko kasi nga kakabalik ko lang. So kailangan ko siyang lalo na sa body ko na kailangan ko masustain yung pagod lalo na pabalik pa lang.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Gretchen, ayun nga, alam naman natin familiar ka rin kay Alyssa Eroa na siya rin yung heart and soul ng Galleries. Kumbaga gano'n lang ka-fulfilling na makuha nyo in 2 games kahit sobrang hirap yung panalo against a tough team like Galleries ka?
Sobrang saya kasi yun nga, ang hirap nila lusutan ng bola talaga, especially Eroa kasi siya talaga yung nag-guide sa likod. So kanina habang naglalaro kami, pag napuntosan ko siya, tinitingnan lang namin yung isa't isa tapos nagsismile lang kami. And also siguro yung sacrifice namin sa bawat isa na kailangan mag-focus lang kami sa training and also lahat yun kailangan for us, kailangan may kapalit.
Coach, you're back in the semifinals, but a different kind of semifinals this time. No longer a knockout game. It's a long stretch as well. So, after a long conference so far, many rounds and all, how are you making sure that the players aren't too tired yet from training and the tight schedule so far?
As a coach, head coach of the Atari Chargers, we already have a good player. There's always about pressure to make it this team better, especially going to semi-final. It's really like it's a special time for the players because players, even they're good player, if they're not gonna work together, we cannot make it to the top 4 team. Kasi the Galleries also, again, what Greta also mentioned also, they're really good team. We don't have any expectation to win this game. We just expect we going to the tough game. So it's just going to be semi-final. We also beat Galleries and the Pound Fresh. Also, we need to fight for them. And also the 4th team, of course, they're a strong team. And this is an opportunity to make this team better. Kasi all the experience is goes into the experience for us as a team. Just prepare and then just make it more better result.
Congratulations, you made the finals ng last conference with Oli. Tapos ngayon, medyo naging mahirap yung simula ng conference na to, but you still found your way to the semifinals. So gano'n lang siguro ka fulfilling or vindicating na with an all-Filipino crew this time, nagawa niyo pa rin makaabot sa semifinals ngayong mas mahirap na din yung naging competition at pinagdaanan niyo to get here?
Actually, hindi kami, sabi ko nga kay Coach Taka na ang gusto ko as a player, gusto kong pumasok ng 4. Pero kasi yun nga, sabi ko din sa kanya na hindi kami pwedeng mag-expect. Kasi, yun nga, di ba, una, talo. So, parang kami, ang mindset lang talaga namin. Yun nga, sabi niya na every training, every game, magiging better kami.
I guess yung pinaka-ano naman is we know our goal. We all know na what we want to achieve. Pero yung how do we achieve it, yun yung araw-araw namin pinagtatrabahuhan. And it keeps us keeps us focused on one game at a time until we reach that goal, diba? Like small step to the bigger goal.
Face yun na, yung first appearance namin na Harry sa semifinals nasa last team. But now na finally playing ka na rin, siguro how are you taking this parang opportunity rin, knowing na nandun ka na rin sa Harry from the start?
Well, the first thing I really said, wow, kasali na kami sa semis, yun nga. Sama na kami ni Fifi, and ayun nga, speaking of Fifi, I hope she gets well na makaabot siya sa semis. We both want to play for Akari this time with us naman sa semis. And very fulfilling kasi being at the sidelines last conference, syempre na-inspired din kami na one day sama kami dyan and na-achieve na namin. So, job's not finished naman. Tuloy pa din.
Coach, what's the update po on Fifi po?
Ankle sprain po. She now able to walking. That's why we just we know naman that the safety. Like it's not going to be like knee sprain. Not a knee sprain. So wala siya only ankle sprain. So she don't need to go into the hospital. She just need to have a recover.
Coach, semifinals, so far, Choco Mucho is in the semifinals with you guys. So how will you just take this semifinal round considering it's a single round robin?
We don't have any expectation. We just fight. We're just going to Raban. That's what we needed. So the result is, I think, after we had work, it's going to come to us.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, guys. Thank you,
Thank you.
Faith.
Thank you po.